Hi everyone, I am Arvind from Ola. I am Anola's father. She is in Nursery Flamingo. So I'll start a year back when we were looking for good school in the vicinity. I think we visited few schools and finally we settled for Puri Child. I think now if you ask me, we did made a good choice and I'll not take much time. I think I'll tell few improvements that I could see in my child. I think she was a very shy girl earlier and now I can see a lot of confidence in her. I think apart from that, she has also become much organized now. And I think empathy is one thing that I have seen in her. More towards animals, human being as well, but more towards animals, she has become very empathetic. And I think all the credit goes to the hardworking and passionate teachers. I mean, especially Mega Ma'am, our class teacher. And I think a very well organized team assembly by the school. And I think a big round of applause to Principal Ma'am, all the teachers, and support staff as well as I don't even now, but yes, to them as well. Thank you, thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for your kind words.